Okay, on this check for understanding number 2, I'd like your teacher to press pause right now, and I'd like you guys to try and do this one without me talking you through it. So press pause. Okay, welcome back. Let's see how you made out in your graph. I've filled out my table of values already for 0 to 2 and 0 to -2. Before I started, I kind of had a general understanding as to what this graph's going to look like. It's a cubic graph, so that means it has one hill and one valley. Because the coefficient of x cubed is a positive 1, I know that it falls to the left, goes up, down, and then goes up to the right. Okay, and that chart that we looked at earlier that I have on the screen here of the odd degree polynomial function supports that. I've highlighted the positive coefficient, which it does have, 1x cubed, and the behavior of that graph. Now that I've plotted those points seem to suggest the exact graph that I was suspecting. So it goes up to that point, back down, and back up again. So that might not be perfectly accurate as to where this hill and this valley is, but it's going to be pretty close. Okay, and we can definitely check that out to see how close now. So I'm just going to have you type that in your graphing calculator to see if you're on the right track. X cubed, I'm going to move this over, x cubed plus x squared minus 6x. Here it goes. Up, down, and around. Looks pretty good. Remember, you can calculate where these maximums and minimums are. I'll just remind you quickly. Second function, calculate a maximum number 4. If you take your cursor to the left of that maximum, somewhere over here, and press enter, and you take it now to the right, somewhere over here, and press enter, twice in a row, you get the maximum at -1.7 at 8.2, and that's pretty close to what we have here. We have -1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're at 6-ish, so it should have been actually up here at 8. But remember, this is a sketch, and we're not looking for 100% of the accuracy, but a general correct shape would be just fine. Okay, next your teacher's going to tell you what questions to try. When I come back on Friday, I'll give you that quiz that we talked about and also finish these checks for understandings.